afternoon, guys. It is now 5:35 and it's Tuesday, 13th of January, and I have another Zuru mini brand. Just gotta fix the camera a little bit. This is mini brand. Fill the fridge. Purchased during the Christmas madness. Did not pay a lot for this one. I think it was like 12 bucks, maybe even 10. I'll check the receipt. Got them filed away. Could get a rare. May contain UV resin, may not. Let's get into it. There's the barcode. I don't know if you could pick up stuff off these ones or not. There's the other code. Just keen to get into this one, so let's go, folks. Back into the videos now that Christmas madness is over. Had a good New Year's. Back into it. Sorry for the background noise. It is afternoon. Kookaburras are calling. Getting their last meal for the day. Catching those crickets, grubs, whatever else they can get hold of. Got fish tank noise in the background. Well, it's actually beside me, but got two there. Filled with my little molly fish. Doing what little molly fish do. Alright, let's go. Okay, little cheat sheet goes over there. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let's start with number 6. My goodness, look, turmeric shot. See that? These are very little. 3 centimeters. These are designed to go in that fill the fridge. The fridges that you could get. I haven't purchased one. Oh, that's a magnet of a donut. What do they call those? Cronuts or something? Little teeny tiny magnet. Very cute. So that's an extra one. So that's like 7 things we've got in this one. That's kind of cool. So I'll go turmeric shot. Nice flat one. Ooh, what have we got? Original sausage patties. Oh, very little. Very cute. Might have to pause the video and zoom in if you really want to have a look. I can't even see if I'm on camera there. So guys, very cute. Okay, next one. Feels like a little one again, little flatty. We've got a tray. Oh my god, that's actually quite cute. A tray of fish. Where is my camera? Come on, camera. Fresh fish, and he actually feels hard, solid. I don't know if he's double-sided. Very cute little fresh fish. The picture is double-sided, I mean, you know, whether they've only decorated one side. Oh, look at that. Pizza Hut, Pizza Hut, Pizza Hut. Let's open it, see if we... Feels like there's a pizza in there. Maybe not. Urgh. Okay, don't use the scissors like this if you're watching kids. That's what silly adults do. They know better. Oh, there's a slice of my pizza missing. Excuse my Pizza Hut, I've been shorted. Does have texture to it. Top, one slice missing. Zoom in there. Very cute. Cute piece missing. slice of my pizza missing. Not sure why I slipped an accent there. Sorry about that. Alright, let's have a look. We have got kombucha. Interesting. Jar of kombucha. Not sure if I'm even pronouncing that correct. Very cute. Alrighty, and lucky last, we've got Hershey's syrup. Some strawberry syrup. Label's not quite on properly. Might hold that against them. Okay, very cute. Let's have a look at our little cheat sheet. Oh, legendary. Oh, they're the ones you got to create. Okay, got it. New. Iconic. Nope, didn't get any of those. Another create one. Didn't get any of those. Nope. Oh, that's like the soft drink, and it's got a marble in it. You need to boink. We got that one. Did we? Yes, got that one. Nice, nice, nice. So we got one rare. And then if we flip over, we got the common Hershey's. We got, oh, the Pizza Hut. It's common, and they're all missing a piece. Okay, cute. Oh, that one would have been cute. Look at that one. Come on, camera here. Sorry, guys. Again. Come on. Tune in. Lots more drinks. Oh, that's my stomach complaining. The kombucha and the turmeric is common, as is the fish. Oh, that one would have been cute. Oh, and there's the magnets. So we got that one there. Very cute. Lots to choose from. Oh, A, B, C, D. Oh, who grew up with alphabet on their fridge? Oh, magnetic alphabet. I certainly did. Both my kids did. Wow. Alrighty, I'm going to pack this guy up so I can do my next video. I will see you all later. Bye.